My name is Achmad Nanda Pratama. I'm from TWBA class. Today I will restate two of this track. There is 5 tracks and I choose two of them. First track I choose the discussion about mountain ranges, and the second one is about gem cuts and it developed historically. First track I choose is the mountain ranges. There are several major mountain ranges that mentioned in this track. There are 4 large tall mountain range. There is Rocky, Himalaya, Alps, and Andes. And then there are 2 other smaller mountain range. This mountain is Appalachian and Cascade. There is different evolutionary in development between major mountain range and small mountain range and the big and taller mountain range. The first one is Rocky Mountain. Rocky Mountain range formed around 100 million years ago. The Andes began forming about 65 million years ago through volcanic activity. The Himalayan and Alps are actually part of the same mountain system. They began forming around 880 million years ago from the crashing action of major tectonic plates. The Appalachian is actually far older than these 4 mountain ranges before. The Appalachian began forming more than 1400 million years ago and completely formed about 200 million years ago. This mountain is older 100 million years ago from Rocky Mountains. The Appalachian has been eroded. That's why the Appalachian height decreased. It used to have a great height. It used to be the taller mountain range, but the height had been decreased over the year. The Cascade is the youngest mountain range that formed 1 million years ago. This mountain is formed from the bottom of the ocean and then it's raised up. The next track discusses about gem cuts and how it developed historically. There are 4 cut styles that mentioned in this video. Cabochon is the first cut and the oldest style of cut. This cut is actually the oldest because it's easier to make this cut. This cut has a round shape without facet, and the next generation is the facet cuts. In this track there are 3 cuts with facet. These are rose, table, and brilliant. I will state the first is table. Table cut is the oldest version of facet cut. It's shaped like a table, has a facet, but it actually didn't cut. It polished with harder material like diamond. The next cut is the rose cut. The rose cut supposed to like a rose, like its name. It's beautiful like rose. And the next is a brilliant cut is the most cut used this day because it can make jump shine brilliantly. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.